And so, after the training, a lot of time they come back and say that, well, they actually improve. The meeting times get shorter because, when they present in meetings, then they realize that, oh, okay, the people understand what they are talking about. The action get taken faster. So there will be a shorter decision making because now I very clearly understand the options that you are providing in your presentation, and I can make a quicker decision. And the bosses like it too, because the bosses say, oh, okay, I don't have to sit through and look at the messy slides. I'm having a headache because the bosses doesn't have a lot of time, right? I want to sit in a meeting. You give me a 10 minutes presentation enough. Don't give me like a 40 minutes presentation because I got no time. I want to go in, listen to what you say, and then get out and make a decision, tell you whether I approve or not. And that's the whole idea.